How to fix your Tinder cannot use Boost. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, as a poor connection can prevent Boost from working. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or you could also try restarting your router. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and update your Tinder application. Look for your App Store or Play Store to see if there are any pending updates available. If that is not the case, and if your account is restricted or under review, Boost may also not be available. So simply check your account status. If that doesn't work, you want to try to restart the application or the device. If you're on an Android device, you can simply go to Settings, Apps, Tinder, and Storage, and simply go ahead and clear cache. Check Boost availability and wait. So Boost may not be available in your area, or you may have recently used it. Wait and try again later. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next.